Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Lisa, and this is an AEI ED TAlk Minute. Today, we are speaking specifically for those who are enrolling in the American Education International K-12 School, AEI K-12. So for those parents in Florida or abroad, anywhere throughout the world, we would like to just say this is exactly where your child is going to soar. We thank you for being ready to embark on your educational journey for your child, and we are ready to start nurturing the young minds, fostering creativity, and preparing for a brighter future. I'd like to share a little bit of an article that we published today that'll give you a little more insight into the process. Actually, we published it yesterday, into the process of how to register. It's on the American Education International website. And I will show you how to get to that. You just type in American Education International. Under the AEI About tab, you'll notice about 4 drop downs down, you'll see AEI blog. And from there, you're going to notice this is our article that we just published to give you a really thorough understanding of the enrollment process. Okay, but quite simply, when you look at this article, you'll see the steps and how we're going to be inviting you to a virtual open house and to an orientation. How is it that you can actually enroll? Okay, first you're going to request information from us. You're going to go to the website and you're going to go to the contact, and in the drop down menu, there's an AEI admissions button. You're going to click on that and put your information in there. And then you're going to tell us if you're from Florida, if you're interested in the Florida program, which is the school for K-12. If you're interested in the school for K-12, but you live outside of Florida, you're going to pick the dual diploma program, which is in the middle. Even if you have a little kid, you're still going to pick that one. Okay. And then if you are not in either of those programs, you're probably going to pick the English acquisition program. So you just choose this and submit. If it's not that, if you happen to be an international principal or teacher and you just want to get information about the workshops, you can just put a message here. So that's how you're going to reach us, okay? So I look forward to that. Just remember that the enrollment process is a breeze, and we will help you with every single piece. If you want to just bypass all that and send a quick email, send it to admin@americaneducationinternational.com. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Lisa in the beautiful and sunny Tampa Bay, Florida, and we'll see you tomorrow.